what's up everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Joe, my man, what are you working on?
I am putting these bearings back in here. I hate this job.
Why?
These things are such a pain. It's like I'm doing surgery on a transfer case.
Yeah. Why are we messing with that again?
Because it still isn't working.
And is it our fault or what fault is it?
Well, we'll find out soon enough.
I'm pretty sure it's our fault. From when we swapped out the yoke, we put the shims on the wrong side, so there's an excessive amount of play.
Doesn't that translate to it's Joe's fault?
Nope.
AutoZone.
Yeah, AutoZone seems to be a very popular place for us.
Kind of like a second home once you think about it.
Yeah, it almost is a second home. Wow, that's some potholes. So Alex wants to take his Jeep down the rock wall. What do you think's gonna happen, Joe?
I think he's gonna get stuck.
Stuck?
I think he's gonna get stuck. What line is he taking? That's the question.
This is what happens when a stock XJ goes rock crawling. No, take him down that dirt line first. Got him down, Joe. Now tell him to turn driver.
Okay, turn driver.
Dude, he lifted a tire.
Yep. There you go. Nice and easy.
Yay!
Stay driver. A little more driver.
All the way driver.
Keep going. Keep going. All right, come on down.
Is he in four-wheel drive?
You're not hung up.
He's not hung up. He needs to be in four-wheel.
There you go. Good. There you go. Stay driver.
Now tell him to go driver, go forward, and don't let off. There you go.
There you go. Keep coming.
Now just drive through it.
Now you can straighten up. There you go. You're down.
Look at that!
Hey, what was all that crunching I heard?
Nothing.
What'd I break?
Nothing. Get in your Jeep.
Start going. Easy. All right, go.
See all that wicked torque?
All right, little more driver. There you go. Forward. There you go. Hold up.
I don't think he's going to be able to. Ah! That fool just launched a rock at me.
Right there. Come forward. Okay, right there. Give it. There you go.
He's flexing! Oh!
Down. I tried. All right, do that again. Don't let it down this time.
Go! He's not going to rip it off. That's his tire. Okay, forward and passenger.
Right there.
That's the dirt though, he has no grip on it.
I gotta get off here. I'm gonna destroy this thing.
You're fine. He's not fine. Right there. What was that?
What was that?
Your beauty ring.
You have a
My
hubcap
what?
ring?
Your beauty ring.
I didn't know you had that. What the heck is
Did I
that?
destroy my rim?
No,
Oh,
it
beauty
just
ring.
popped
No, you
off.
popped the beauty ring off.
I didn't even know those had that.
Yeah. Yeah, they're hard to find.
They're all gone because
Yeah,
of
I
that
wonder
right there.
why.
But you want to try to just take them up the dirt and stay off the rocks?
Well, he can go up the rock, the dirt's just spinning.
You want that going?
Yeah, roll it.
I'm trying to roll it. Shut up. We get a freaking hernia.
Use your legs, Joe.
That was my legs.
Legs! Leg day!
Alex, come here.
I'm recording.
Go, go, go!
It's not going to go because it's hitting stuff. I just need a little extra help to get it to flip. We'll get it to right there, and it starts binding on the rock.
Okay.
So. Rip my glove.
All right.
What about that,
Now it's a little more in your way.
that one?
Now it's a giant hole. That's not real. Now it's traction.
Now it's traction. Right.
I don't want to destroy your rocker.
Yeah, that'll bust it. Oh, it's okay. I didn't want that or anything.
There's no bite.
There's nothing.
You got street tires. There's no bite.
That's fine.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
We're gonna switch. You ready?
Go! You realize he's fat, right?
That's so mean.
I know, but he does it all the time.
All right, we should probably get some work done now. What did you just say?
There's a blizzard coming?
What? What the crap? How is there not a blizzard coming? No more snow! All right, so we're gonna do a quick update on the bouncer. We did a couple things on it. I wanna show you where we're at with that. So the engine, we've got the engine placed in here. And before you say anything, yes, we have the exhaust manifolds on backwards. So we need to be able to tuck this thing in. It is offset to the passenger side. Most likely, we'll be doing a custom set of headers that'll come off straight and then down. And then they'll have the merge collector and enough room for a muffler here to be able to muffle a little bit. But we got the engine position where we want it to, got the seats figured out where we want it to, and the other reason we had to offset it to the passenger side is because the supercharger, we want to use the actual bracket that Torque Storm made. We don't want to go custom like we did on the buggy. That was a pain in the butt. So over here, the other reason we offset it, this benefits us, is for the pedals. So now, woo! Got a quarter. Now, in the seats, we have enough room for the pedals. We'll have a heat shield coming across the exhaust, and then there's enough room now for our gas pedal and our brake pedal. And that's all we need. So everything's gonna be solid mounted in here because it's a bouncer. We don't want any movement at all. So that's next, training mount next. And we're gonna finish up the seat mounts. We should have the supercharger in soon. Start getting that. We're gonna throw some tube work on it. This is version 3 of our rear shock that's going on soon. It's a 3.5 inch 5-tube bypass. We got to make the adapter to attach the coil over to the bottom. And then this will use a 1-inch shaft made out of nitrate steel. And hopefully before too long, we'll upgrade from the 2.5s we're currently running to the 3.5s with a lot more adjustability. Nope, still.
That ain't it. So,
Okay.
plan, where are we?
32.
So, okay, that's around both. There.
Yeah, I mean, that fitting's just out in the open as well. But
It's 90 degrees or 180 degrees from the other one. That's why.
so it's full droop that it's coming forward.
Okay, but how?
Okay, I can take the jack stands out.
And that's why I was asking if there's a way we could bring this forwards to hair. If you had another 90 on there, if it would bring it.
I mean, we can tighten it so it holds it. Because right now, I think that's fine.
Okay.
Because once that gets hose clamped over, because look, we're actually going a little forward, but once that gets hose clamped over,
Okay.
it holds that tight.
It'll be another 1/16 of an inch clearance. Just like the rest of the car.
Pretty much. So,
Yeah, if you're not worried about it, then again, we're not going to know until we 100% until we test it. So as symmetrical as it can be, anyway.
okay, so I'll get caps tomorrow and we'll finish those tomorrow.
Okay.
Do we want to go ahead and pull the T-case? Get the back tilted up, drop this down. So we don't
Pull it like out. Yeah.
I think the linkage is the only thing left that we can play with. That's what he said.
Okay. I need to find the bolts for that front diff anyway, because I need to check those holes before I start putting that thing back up there.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'll go back to this. But it's ready to go back in pending those holes being cleaned.
You see what we changed the limit straps, Alex?
No.
We needed more height out of them. So we cut the tube, or I didn't cut the tube. We drilled a hole in the tube, then used weld washers and a sleeve. And now they attach, they gave us a few more inches, and it actually pulls full now. Oh,
I dropped the wrench.
you need a hug?
No, I don't need a hug.
He's lying. He needs a hug. You need a hug?
Go the next size up on that hole. It's like... Well, it's because the angle,
Here, I can.
because it's not straight in. That looks a tad bit bigger. I see the angle now. Just pop that real quick and...
I had the Allen head.
Hey, this worked last time. You see it? Well, it ain't on the ground, I can tell you that. Hey, there's the other nut that I needed. Found one thing. Where is it? There it is. I think that's gonna hold. As hard as it was going in there.
Well, no, once we tighten it back down, we shall see.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's stiff now.
I wonder if that's gonna be too tight.
No, once you get your foot on it, you'll just keep it. Because the problem, even the last time we went out, you know, you'd be coming around and you lift your pedal and it wouldn't come off.
Yeah.
It's still.
Well, no, yeah, I remember when we were having that issue.
Well, no, this was Saturday. You haven't seen this issue, the way it did that. I mean, it idled a little bit, but this, you'd come in it and we go to, like when we were doing the drifting through there, you would go and you'd go to lift your foot and the pedal, it just sticks.
It just sticks.
You know, so.
I don't think it's gonna stick now.
No. That's. We're going to finish up here, get everything cleaned up. We'll be back this week. We should have 2 or 3 videos. Got a couple things planned. Sorry we weren't here last week. I was out sick. Alex was out of town. We will be back with more content. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, and also make sure you're a subscriber because when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do our next giveaway. We'll probably be doing a light bar, winch rope, maybe some hydraulic bumps. Depends. We'll let you guys vote on it once we hit 1,000. And remember, every 500 subscribers, we're going to give something away. So make sure you share this video so we can get more subscribers. Sooner we hit it, sooner we do a giveaway. And with that,
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Who's pushing the button?
I don't know.